Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a subdomains in Squarespace. So first you just have to simply open and log into your Squarespace, and then here you have to tap on your profile at the top right corner, scroll down here, or you can also tap on domains that is beside the dashboard. So here in the domains, if you haven't added any domains on your Squarespace, all you have to do is get a domain. So of course, domains are not for free. If you want to establish a good website, you need to purchase a domain and you need to pay for that. So once you have your domain here on your Squarespace and you want to create subdomains, what you're going to do here is you have to go back, look for the gear icon or settings, and then look for domains. So tap on domains and email. And then here you will see all the domains that you have added here on your Squarespace or connected here in your Squarespace. In order for you to create one, you just have to select that specific domain that you want to remove or you want to replace. And then here below, you need to add your subdomain. All you have to do is to remove, add. After that, tap on the save button at the top right corner. Now you need to confirm and then wait for a couple of seconds, and that's it. You have created a subdomains here in Squarespace. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.